Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work on upper body and you guys will be coming along with me today. First exercise will be curls, okay? We're doing curls. It's already hot. So you've picked a weight that's light for you and you're going to bend over slightly, just a little bit, and then you will start the exercise. When you guys are exercising and doing your curls, I want you to bring the weight all the way to your chin and all the way down. So that means extend your arms out. That is the full exercise. Make sure your posture is good and your feet are flat on the ground. So normally when I'm going light, I lift light. So I always do more reps when we're going light. So we do more reps going light, going heavy, we do less reps, okay? Moving on to exercise number 2. Make sure you have great posture, okay? For the straight arm lat pull down, you guys wanna make sure you keep your arms straight, but also where you're gonna be really feeling that exercise is when you're coming back up. You wanna come back up in a slow motion so that you're able to feel that muscle working. All right, and we're moving. This is the chest press machine. 10 to 15 reps for each exercise, okay? Since we're only doing lightweight. Let's go. As you're doing the chest press, make sure you're breathing through each rep, but also focusing on your posture and making sure you're pushing yourself to the end of each rep and making the most of this exercise. I say take a 10 to 15 second break in between each exercise. You don't want to be breaking that long because you want to keep your muscles moving and pumping. All right, exercise number 4, let's go. Okay, so for exercise number 4, we're gonna focus on our forearm. Okay, so right here, this is what we'll be exercising, this muscle right here, okay? Grab a weight. I have 5-pound weight because I'm doing light weights on everything. Let's go. Position your body. As we're doing the tricep extension, I really want you guys to focus on your muscle group and extend that weight all the way up and back down to the middle of the back. Make sure you're doing these in slow motion so that you guys can feel every single rep. All right. Whew. I'm sure that hurts because since it's the forearm that we're working out, it's right here. And so this right here really, really gets fatty. That's where all the fat starts shaking us. You can come back to this video, look at it, repeat it, watch my posture, because you want to make sure you have good posture when you're doing this. Okay, exercise number 5. I do these exercises specifically, and that's it. I don't do nothing else. All right, so we bend over, exercise. 1, as we do reverse flies, 2, I want you guys to be aware 3, of the way that you're swinging. 4, so swing 5, enough to where you feel it 6, in your back slightly, 7, and then bring it right back down. 8, and go in slow motion 9, so you can feel the exercise. Jeez Louise. I make sure that I'm focusing on my posture and I'm making sure that I'm focusing on the exercise because I want to get the most out of my workout, right? So as long as I'm having a great posture and weights that I can manage, you should be perfect. You should be good. You should feel great after. Even though I'm talking and I'm working out at the same time, I'm still feeling strong and I'm still feeling like I can push through my workout. Let's go to the lat pull down because that's exercise number 6. I'm sure many of you guys are familiar with this machine. We have a lat pull down and we are going to do our 6th exercise on here. Now this machine specifically targets upper body because this gives you that illusion of small waist, big booty, you know what I mean? It gives you that, so it helps build your back up, which gives you that strong illusion in the back, which is a slim back. Let's check it out. So my light is 25 pounds, okay? Let's exercise.
As we do the lat pull downs, I want you guys to focus on the back muscle. And when you're pulling the bar down, I want you guys to hold for 1 second and then release to the bar back up. Make sure you guys are focusing on that muscle group and really, really holding for that 1 second. That's important.
And that's that. And that is how you build that back up. Okay, that's how you strengthen that back and build it up and give it that illusion for the big booty Judy. Okay, so this is another, I probably should have stayed over here before I moved around, but it's okay. So now this is another exercise we're using that's gonna target our back, okay, and help. Exercise number 6. Remember guys, keep it light.
Face pulls are one of my favorite. It's also a back exercise, and you will also be holding for 1 second when you're pulling to the back. And I want you guys to not pull hard, but just pull to where you can feel that muscle working. I also want you to work on your posture. You'll have be slightly bent at the knee as you're doing these too.
The last two, so you guys can see exactly, but your head is pretty much like this. And you're bringing them all the way to your head. All the way to the center of your head. And squeezing the back tight and holding for a second. I hope that makes sense to you guys, okay? They squeeze, hold, release. Whew. I'm tired, getting tired. All right, next up, we have exercise number 7. And you're gonna be doing a set of 12 for each side.
As we're doing the cable arm pulls, you guys will be pulling from whichever side you're starting, from the right or the left, and you're going to pull all the way to the opposite side. Now, this is an arm exercise, but while you're doing this, you guys are also working your core. So want to make sure you guys are keeping that core tight when you extend from right to left. All right, and make sure you guys also focus on your posture because you are moving. So you want to make sure that you are standing straight up, but also your legs are wide enough to extend from right to left. Keep it tight, keep it right, and finish off every rep strong. Push all the way through.
As we're finishing up and we are headed to exercise number 8, let's go to our last exercise and let's finish off really, really strong. And I hope you guys are enjoying this upper body day. And last but not least, we have exercise number 8. And these are TYIs. So basically, it's a 3-part exercise, but this is, I do this last one because it really helps me push myself, and it just gives me that little extra pump for upper body day, okay? So these are TYIs, and you're going to do 3 rounds of these. Let's go. Exercise number 8 will be TYIs, 3 rounds. Let's get it started.
With T's, you want to make sure you do not take the weights too high, but eye level, and hold your core tight.
Y.
Next up, we have Y's. Same thing, eye level, but push through the workout and keep that core tight. Do not stop. Last but not least, we have eyes, which is straight up and down. Hold your core tight as well. And focus on the exercise. Do not stop. Keep going all the way through. This is a burnout. Okay, so at the end of this workout, this will be our burnout.
10. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh, we are done with upper body day. Okay, guys. So, after 8 sets of upper body day, going 3 rounds of each exercise, you guys definitely have to leave in the comments. Tell me how you feel. Tell me how your upper body feels. Let me know how the workout was, okay? Until next time, ciao.